Hello, I'm Hanno, Product Team Coach, and in this video I will demonstrate Jira Product Discovery. It's quite a new addition to the Atlassian Jira ecosystem, and it's mainly intended for product managers and product owners. The idea of the product is to collect all the product ideas into one place, and from there you can handle all the requests, prioritize them, do some analysis, and you can also create reports. So let's figure out what Jira Product Discovery can do. Let's dive in. Okay, so here we are in Jira Product Discovery page. You can go to atlassian.com/software/Jira/product-discovery. What you need to do first, if you don't have an Atlassian account, so you need to create one. Let's get to this Jira Product Discovery. So here's my current setup. I'm having one Scrum project already there. So my team is up and running. So this team will create an app for an airline, new airline, which is starting. Now I'm kind of curious what kinds of features or capabilities should I add to this airline application, where you can kind of book seats, view flights, purchase a ticket for a flight, and so on. So for that, I'm creating now the new Jira Product Discovery project. Let's get started there. I will push create project, and I will there select Product Discovery, and it will give all kinds of information. We don't stuck into that much, but anyway, it will create one template for you. We can use this template to get started. So I will click new template, put here a name. So airline app product discovery. I will create this project like so. And it will take some time, and now it will creating that project for me. Okay, so if you decide to use a template for product discovery project, then this is the template it will give you. For my purposes, when I'm creating this airline app, this is pretty useful. So here we have a list of ideas, new rewards program, express checkout, and so forth. And you can see here some themes that are included, for which theme this idea is related to. So increasing revenue, win enterprise customers, delight users, so kind of improving user experience, and some new heights for this whole product. Then we have insights. We'll take a look what these are in a moment. And then you have some metrics, like what is the impact if we create this idea. You can easily adjust these levels from low to high, like in this view already. And same goes for effort. If you think that, okay, the effort is low, you have one ball here, one red ball here active, or red circle, more or less. And if the effort is high, then you have 5. That's quite easy to understand. And then roadmap. This by default uses now, next, later road mapping style. If we then want to just create an idea, a new one, I have an idea that I could create a newsletter for frequent flyers. All right, let's do that. I can jump into this idea, and it opens here on the right hand side. I can start adding a number of things, like an overview, but what I like to try is to start from a template, which gives you a number of ideas that you can use for your new idea. Whether it is an opportunity statement, whether you like to experiment something, and so forth. So idea evaluation, hypothesis testing, problem definition, solution retrospective, and you can also create your own template. Since this is a newsletter, it's more like it's an opportunity to get more frequent flyers happy, extra bonuses or special offers to them. So I can add here a problem context. Frequent flyers are loyal customers. There we can address a problem. What is the problem we are trying to solve? So with this newsletter, so we are going to tell about special offers, get some special prices, campaigns, hotel offers, and so forth. We can try to describe the impact we are supposed to get from this newsletter and the desired outcome that we like to have. And you can then add some specifications, like in case of a newsletter, you could add some kind of a template that, okay, this kind of a template we could use for this newsletter, and some suggestions about that as well. All right, so it should be in there in our list already. Let's go to new ideas. Create newsletter, and you can, if you see that is good thing to implement shortly, then you can move it. You can easily add here some insights for this new thing. You could add some description why we need this newsletter. So if you have a link to this newsletter template, for instance, you can add it there, and then we can create an insight there, and we can here add an impact that we expect to have with this newsletter. You can add a label like customer experience, like so. Jira Product Discovery has a Chrome extension that you can install. Also, you could manipulate something from Slack and Teams, but I haven't tried those. Okay, so here you can then address a generic impact like for, and this is very low effort to create. You just need the list of emails for loyal customers, and then you can start sending those. This could be easily done right away, so no problem with that. We have a template already available. Someone just needs to review that. We are good to go. Okay, let's check this impact assessment. This is something funny because it is this impact score that could be calculated. If you have more insights, now I added another insight. You can see the impact score gets higher, so we think that this could be even more valuable idea to implement really in the near future. Okay, the next one, impact versus effort. This is a nice tool in a way that you could easily adjust the ranking if you think that our experts checkout isn't really that valuable at this point, so we can lower the impact value for that one easily. So we can see that if we have something on the left upper hand corner here, so they seem to be most valuable ideas to implement, but these other ones here, especially if you are in the bottom right hand corner, then this might be something that you won't be never doing. Okay, then you can move to product roadmap. So by default we are having this now, next, later roadmap column. You can add more columns here if you wish. These in most cases this now, next, later would be something that works for many. The most valuable things that or the ideas you could implement, they are in the now, next, valuable in the next. This is quite easy to have a roadmap specified. But there you have also the product timeline possibility. So with this you could give a report how these different ideas are going to be implemented, if they are going to be implemented at all. Here you can also track and adjust these timelines okay, you can do it in this view. So you can have a monthly view, even daily view, where when you would start, for instance, and when you expect this activity or idea to be completed. For many, these monthly or quarterly views are okay to work with. Nice thing with this tool is that you can, if the idea is something that you want to proceed with, then you can create an issue to Jira software for your development team, so they can take it from there. And you can also see some kind of a report yourself how this activity or the new issue is proceeding. So if you have this new idea, create a newsletter for frequent flyers, then you have filled in everything here, and if you go to delivery, you can create a delivery ticket. Let's try if that works. So here I have my airline application Scrum project, ASP here, AAT Scrum project, and from here I can create an epic for the development team. Just press create, and here you can see that okay, how this is really proceeding with the development as well. So you have this delivery progress bar here that indicates how this is proceeding. When the team starts working with it, you should see some progress bar moving forward as they are making progress with their delivery project. So you can actually create multiple delivery tickets. So now I created an epic create newsletter for frequent flyers, and if I go to my Scrum project there, okay, if I go to my Scrum project to which I created this new epic and then press list, and I see that new epic has been created. Now you can see that we have created this newsletter epic to our delivery, and if they start working with that, so we could see the progress bar here as well. One thing that you can then do is to publish this roadmap, so you have everything here, and if you press publish, then you can make a view that everyone else see your ideas and the progress of those ideas. Stakeholders want to know how their idea is working out or making progress. You can create a published view where they can see without creating a Jira account how your ideas are working out. By the way, I'm only in this free plan at the moment, so in the free plan you can have 3 collaborators working with these ideas. But if you want to publish it to your stakeholders, your list of ideas and the progress of those ideas and everything else, so then you need the standard plan, which costs something like $10 a month, I believe. But I would say that this is a nice addition to the Jira family, a new way of filling in the gap between business stakeholders, maybe even your customers who are closely related to your product development, so they know that what to expect and when, if they are avid users of your product, for instance. And then you can easily share the situation, like your request or your idea, we are working on it, this is what we have done so far, or we have a plan how to implement this. Easily give some report your progress on certain things. Okay, that was a short demo of Jira Product Discovery. So what do you think? Would Jira Product Discovery work in your organization? Would it fill the gap between business and development? Let me know in the comments. And of course, if you're in the Jira ecosystem already, this tool could be the one that you could easily take into use and start using it for your own benefit. Many thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.